What's up everyone, welcome. Nolasco here, and we are in the Nike factory store, and let's move on and let's go check it out. And as you can see, we got a 20% off discount, and moving on with a good one. We had here the Jordan 3 Animal Instinct, and under retail for 225 with additional 20% came down to 180, and this one is already a good deal. So moving on with other Jordans, and this one is Jordan Pro Throw 59.97 with additional 20. And as you can see, the price is already good, but color maybe not, but hey, Jordan React is not bad. And also Jordan Pro Throw React Z, this one it's much better, I think. The bottom is also the React, and the top and also the design kinda not bad for me. Well, let's take a look around more. So how about this one, Jordan Big Fun Premium, kinda like this kind of gold-ish thing, number 23 on the back with some a little bit black accent and white. Not bad for 89. Alright, still on Jordan section, we got 79 with additional 20, and this Jordan Metal pass, but this one still sitting here for 79.99, and also additional 20% discount, but will pass. Jordan Mars 270 is up. What do you think on this one? I like this color though, black and gold, a little bit more simpler. This patent leather 79.99 with the 20. I'll pass. All right, Jordan Maxim 200, this color not bad for the black and some kind of a patent leather with a bread colorway. Not bad though. What do you think? Can you take it? All right, another Jordan Max 200, and the color not bad also with the black and a little bit green accent, and Nike and bubbles, and same Jordan but a different color, white and with that bubbles red. So next up is a Jordan 1 High React. Should I react on this one? Oh no, this one's been sleeping here. 104.99, and no one's buying this one. Probably they will drop to 49.99. Alright, Jordan Why Not 0.3. So what do you think on this one? Like the color though, simple and black and a little bit accent of gold. So the price not bad though, 99 with additional 20. So how about Kyrie for 109.99 with additional 20? They are full size. I already got me some of the smaller sizes though. So moving on with the Zoom Rise TB, and it is ugly looking shoe, but the price is not bad, 59.97 with additional 20. Not bad for basketball shoes. Alright, Nike Odyssey React 2 Shield for a good running shoes. I like the React form of these running shoes for 59.99. So what do you think? Will you cap this one for your running shoes? Alright, let's move on to the clearance wall or the hash wall. So still 20% off, and look at this one, gold. We got some more money, and it is really colorful of this gold accent. Will you cap this one? Oh no, this one's still been sitting here since like forever. LeBron, Super Brown, and no one's buying this one. No one's been sitting here for been long time. All right, so how about this one, Air Max Uptempo. I like the bread color though. Might gonna cut this one for personal though. So how about the Jordan Delta? Well, looks like this one someone returned this one, and it's in my size 10 and a half. Nice color. Well, it is on retail. Maybe let's check it out. All right, so Nike Air DSBM, black, light aqua, and black. This one's not bad though. As you can see, I always like these Vapor Maxes or something like that, and this one is not bad for the color and a little bit wild of the design, and it comes with a little bit red and blue. What do you think? All right, moving on with the Air Max Plus, and this one, nice color for that price, and a little bit good ones of red and black. I like this one better though. So what do you think? The price is not bad also. Alright, okay, moving on with the Air Max Tailwind. So 99 with the 20. Nice color, but I'm gonna pass for now. This one's gonna drop. Also same Air Max Tailwind, a different color. I like this much better colorway, a little bit simpler for $79.99 with the 20% off. Alrighty, okay, so this is what we picked up. We got the Nike Air DSBM, the Air Max Plus, Air Max Plus, Air Max Plus, and the Jordan 3. So I would like to start with this Jordan 3, and this one, as you can see, the Jordan 3 Retro SE. This one is the Animal Instinct, and like this one because I already got me one of these for personal, and I didn't bought them all because some of the sizes is smaller sizes, and I only picked this size 13 because this is much more profitable than those smaller sizes. And if you will look into the market values of the StockX, so this one is selling out for $246 last sale, and the size 13. So some of them been sold like higher than that one, like this one is 260. There you go, 288, 289, 288, 289, and 290. There's lot of different price going on, and I would say I'm gonna stay with it for a while because I bought this one for 180 after the 20% discount. So I'm gonna sit on it for a while, but I believe I will take at least a 30% return investment on this one. All right, moving on with the Nike DSBM black, light aqua black, and we bought this for, the retail is $190 and $84.97, and then additional 20%. So not bad for this one. I was thinking gonna get it for personal pair because you can see 10.5, it is my size, but I might gonna keep it, might not. I'm gonna probably resell it or not because the price alone is 84 minus the 20 is not bad. Okay, so next one, we got two pair of the Air Max Plus, as you can see right here. There you go, two pair of this one, and the retail is $160. We bought it for $99 with additional 20%. All right, so most of the time the Air Max Plus are go up the price, especially this Air Max Plus TN, as you can see right there. Some colorway will go up the price, some not, but in some of my experience in reselling of this some kind of Air Max Plus TN, most of the one that reselling very well are this black color, and this one is not bad also because it has some black and red ones, so not too much color going on. So did my research also, the price also went up. And another one that I found that didn't got a chance to put on the blog because this one has been given to me by the plug inside the Nike factory store. And this one is the Nike Air Max Plus, the black metallic, and it is the only size they got, and also $89.97 with the additional 20%. So just like what I've said, this one is much better. So just like what I mentioned regarding the Air Max Plus TN, as you can see right here, we bought it for $89.97 with additional 20, and the last sale from StockX is $173. Okay, so what do you think? Which is the best cup of them all, and which one is the best profitable sneaker of them all? I would like to hear your thought, and I would love to have this one because I already got me a pair of this one and still waiting for them to NDS. But anyway, so which one is the best cup of them all? This one, that one, or this one? Oh, well, what do you think? I would love to hear your thought. Please leave a comment down below, and also thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Ingat po kayo. Bye bye.